Case right there. That's what I'll tell you to sit up.
Yeah, and this go pop to the right.
That's correct. Hold on. I'm gonna record the video of you doing the whole thing.
That's back
Alright.
right.
Go ahead.
The lube will spread automatically before you do that. So.
Four shot.
Here, look at me. Smile.
We had one more. I'll pull it to the right.
Alright. Try to see if you can to slide back so you can get the take
I'll
out.
pull it to the right, so that means I gotta tweak it back to the left a little bit. See what I did?
Did you bring your extra clip?
Yeah.
He said they were fine. That's what the 4 he just shot.
Oh, that was a 40 shot.
Yeah, he said.
Okay, we got.
I'm trying to get the slide.
Yeah, we got to check the gun.
It's like,
Is that a new gun?
yeah.
Did you break it down in oil or anything?
Nah, that's what it was.
I have some on the
Yeah.
slide.
No, she gonna just use mine.
Okay.
We'll handle it.
thank you.
We gotta take it apart anyway, so.
Oh, that's what it was.
Yeah, gotta order it down. Alright. You shoot me?
But anyway,
See the. Oh look, I got one hand coming.
Yeah.
And then the rest is pulled to the right a little bit. Right there.
You can edit.
I got one dead center, one outer. See, I'm pulling to the right just a little bit. I got one right there.
You got one up there.
Yeah.
Who you trying to bust, man? Who you trying to bust?
Bye. All right, come on. Hey, get your last round, baby. Yes, sir.
No, I'm paranoid about that. We going to
All right, you guys, we out here. We just leaving the gun range. Crystal, getting how it feel with your first shoot. What you did? Wait a minute. Where you had one that went in. Where'd it go?
I don't know if I got a close up of it or not.
Huh?
It was fun. It was good. It was good.
Look, you guys, shooting range.
I'm like, leave this in
Yeah. So you had fun out here at the shooting range?
it. Yeah, I gotta get my practice on.
Yeah.
It was actually a good day because it wasn't that crowded. And everybody who was out was nice.
Yeah.
That's another little concern I had that, you know, when you walking into new territory, you never know how people in that area would act.
Yeah. So look, you guys, this is where we were. That's where we would shoot, down there. So yeah, we get ready to get it, you guys. We out here. We hungry now. Yo, big booty.